Welcome to our channel. If you want to customize your Pluto TV channel guide and organize your favorite channels, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the Pluto TV app on your device or visit the Pluto TV website and log in to your account if you have one. Note that some features require an account. Step 2. Navigate to the Live TV section, where you can see the full channel guide with all available channels organized by category. Step 3. Browse through the channels to identify which ones you want to add to your favorites. Pluto TV offers hundreds of channels across various genres. Step 4. When you find a channel you like, click on the star icon or heart icon next to the channel name. This adds the channel to your favorites list. Step 5. Repeat this process for all channels you want quick access to. You can favorite as many channels as you want across all categories. Step 6. Access your favorites list by clicking on the Favorites or My Channels section in the channel guide. This creates a personalized guide with only your selected channels. Step 7. Reorder your favorite channels by using the drag and drop feature on the website or edit option in the app. This allows you to prioritize your most watched channels. Step 8. Remove channels from your favorites by clicking the star icon again to unfavorite them. This removes them from your custom channel guide. Step 9. Explore the on-demand section and save movies or shows to your watch list by clicking the plus icon. This creates a queue of content you want to watch later. Step 10. Your customized channel guide and watch list will sync across all devices where you're logged in, allowing you to access your personalized Pluto TV experience anywhere. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.